Um, so hello guys, welcome back, welcome back. If you're going to watch this video, make sure you watch my previous video. I'm gonna keep them connected, like because I'm going to post them um according with time. First one, and then this follows. Understand? Yeah. So don't get lost on it, because these days I ain't been putting time on them. I wanna reach out to as many people as possible. But immediately I just jump right into the charts. You're gonna observe time right down here. I don't really have to I don't really have to tell you what day it was. You can see what you can see right down there at your chart. Like today's on Wednesday. You can see that. I don't really have to indicate that in my YouTube videos because I want to reach as many people as possible right now because I want I want whoever is struggling out there with these things to just slow down. And especially my bro. I'm also doing this for my bro. Yeah, he's in Form 4 right now. So he's high school. I'm also documenting my growth. So I got reasons. Got many reasons. Do you got reasons to do this? I don't know if you got reasons to do this, but you should get reasons to do this. So I said I want to go through what is happening on the lower time frame, something 4 hour time frame. You can see where we closed there on Friday. That's on 4,964.620 there. We open 4,989.930 here. If you are new to the market, this looks very shady to you, and it might just fuck you off. You see this price action? You don't play with nobody. If you don't know what you're doing and you just there, you wanna buy and sell and buy and sell and buy, you're gonna blow that account, bro. So watch out. You see price trying to come for this here, and immediately I see these candlesticks close there. And right here was obviously gonna be used. Try to reuse it here, and we started pushing higher. I thought this was gonna get hit by this, for this, but we kind of made an imbalance, a buy side imbalance. So I pointed that out, right? I told you in the previous video that I knew we were gonna push higher today. How did I know that? You see this kind of close? You see that? You see that? I don't need no more confirmation. You see that? Do you see how that kind of closed right on to the point? Do you see where we open? Do you see these things? Do I really have to tell you these things? Like, come on. You are seeing them. I am not making nothing up. See that? Beautiful. This is another block. This is right here. This is right here. This is a lot of liquidity. This is heavy. Trust me. These got people fucked up. Um, so you see where we closed that there? We open here. I pointed out there near the opening up. So volume imbalance because there was no print there. Nothing was printed. They are not gonna take these things away. How? They can't. There, price wanted to push higher. This is where I traded. See price pushing higher to this and this and this. Relative equal highs. Saying hi. We gotta get you. You are nothing to us. So we wanna see how price will behave here. But remember we have this here. Very huge heavy area of interest. It's a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency in the four. It's a BC. This was yesterday's news events. I don't really use them. I just wanna know when they're coming out. Today we have a news event for at 8:30. So I want that because I want that volatility. That volatility that comes here to kill and devour people. That's what I want to use. Yeah, I love chaos. So if you want to see price pushing higher, we want to see use this here. So this candle here might close just above there, and the candle that opens here might wanna be a little indecisive if it doesn't wanna push lower. So we're gonna break out and maybe use this here. Not today, not tomorrow, someday. I don't know, but we will do that. We will do that. Just come, sit on it, and go. So you're gonna wanna use that and this one here. You also wanna use this if price really wanna comfort this buy side liquidity here. Remember that on the daily time frame. So this is what I was talking to my bro, the one we prayed with. I sent him a screenshot of my trading view. I don't really share this with nobody. Like so we have this other block here. See that? I sent him this. Is it a coincidence that this other block is just close to this consequent encroachment of this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency? No, I don't know. It's probably random. It's probably random. That's random. Well, it's random. Rejection block, see that how is used the other block? You see how it also uses this imbalance? Oh my god. You don't want to buy? It's a balanced price range. Why? It's an even. The gap was taken care of. So I told him if we want to see price come lower because it was here yesterday, that was not really to do. So if you traded yesterday, maybe you use this. I'm sure maybe use this week. If you're gonna use that week, you can find something. What is here? Maybe in the lower time frame, like 1 hour. Imbalances. I said the weeks are also imbalances. Oh, you don't remember that? Come on. So we have this rejection block here sitting right on top of that other block and this for BC. These things are too many for you, bro. You still what kind of other confirmation do you want? You what other truth do you want? See how we use that? Society imbalance, society inefficiency. See how we use that? Price down, wanna. We don't want to touch that. It's too hard. It's too hard. This here is just too hard. It's too hard. Here, no, no, no. Remember, it's also closer to the consequent encroachment of that daily set side imbalance by side inefficiency. That's too heavy, bro. That's too heavy. That's too heavy. That's heavy. That's heavy. That's kind of heavy. So that is what I wanted to show you guys. We can quickly switch into the lower maybe 1 hour time frame for your benefit because I want to do this for you. Bro. I just want to do this for you. There's another block here, but this is the bigger other block here. So you want to use it. Um, right here, I don't know if you're seeing that. This here, did I say that? But this was a balanced price range. Mhm. You see price coming, this, it's probably interested in this here. Understand that? So this week here, so wanna use it. See that 0.5 level? Not gonna stick, just wants to close down that. That's heavy. Also sitting on at the top of that chesed imbalance. Remember that? Is in red. Sitting on top of it. Where we closed. Where we closed. Put me here. Rejection block. Comes sits on top of it. Also using this basic push higher. Take out this. Um this is where you want to find your entries. Remember that. So I think you can see what's happening here. I don't have to talk too much. Yeah, it's sitting on top of this BC. No candlesticks just want to close down that. See that? It's heavy. See that? Here? It's heavy. See that? 0.5 of that wick. See where we sitting on top of that Tuesday high. Um, how we pushed. Do you see that? Do you see fucking this? You see that? I don't play. I don't play. I don't play with nobody. See that? I don't. Come on. Come on. Market is open. Oh my god. Just come here. Let me fuck your ass up. Come here. What I do? Let me fuck your ass up. Other block? See that? You don't see that? I see that, bro. I see so many confirmations. That's how I hammer. Like a bullet. Like a bullet, bro. Beautiful prize. That is beautiful. If you didn't find it, you could hop in here. Wait. Right there. Right there. You see these? Uh-uh. We are we are down with you, bro. We want you. And it comes for that. See that? Bought here 10 lots, got out here 10 lots. This is a 100K account. I just managed to make like $600. You don't need too much. Come on. I told you not to even risk 0.5% of your account. And you still doing that shit. Come on. Don't do that. I just managed to get six fucking $100 on 100K account. And you wanna get 50K from $100 account. Bro, come on, you playing. You playing with me. You playing with me. You playing with me. You playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me. That's how I survive. You don't know how I do it? Lot size don't make no money. Lot size don't. Those contracts, the amount of contracts don't make no money. Your capital does. Your size of account does make you money. And it gives you freedom. And it makes you grow. Risk like a motherfucking genius, bro. That's it. Um, so, oh, hold on. What am I doing? So you can see that it's beautiful, but this market is choppy. What I saying you would have used here? Remember when I say that week right there? Beautiful. Mhm. Ah, I know what they trading. Don't do that. But here, you see that? We don't even get to these. We don't something being used here. That is 0.5 level that week. Remember that? This year, 0.5 level. This year. They don't know I know that. You don't know I know that. See, price is down what? Balance. Well balanced. I also want to buy here. You don't want to buy there. Oh, wait for liquidity sweep. So many things you're gonna learn if you just want to be open, right? So this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I love it. I don't know if I bought on the other account. I didn't. I didn't know. But it's good. So that was it. Have a good time and keep on growing. Keep on growing, bro. The world is yours. Keep on growing.